Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Here is Laurie Bailey with EURUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look.
The euro reached the target level of 1.1043 yesterday. Trading volume was average. In general, since August 2nd, when trading volume was the highest in the past 2 months, it has been decreasing. The modern oscillator signal line is slightly turning down precisely from the upper boundary. If this isn't a price reversal, it is certainly a correction. In case of a correction, if the price falls below 1.1010, a subsequent consolidation above this level will allow a sustained rise with a target at 1.1085. It is still far from stable signs of a downward reversal. A more definitive sign would be if the price falls below the support level at 1.0905. However, around the level of 1.0850, the price will have to struggle with the MACD line. We believe that a fundamental shift in sentiment will occur in September during the Federal Reserve meeting, where the rate will be cut by 0.25% rather than the 0.5% currently expected by market participants. The Fed has already signaled that such a step might be excessive. For instance, Michelle Bowman mentioned this on Sunday. But investors are still reacting weakly to these warnings. If market participants calmly accept these signals, which will likely be reiterated, the euro may experience a medium-term decline sooner. On the 4-hour chart, the price is trying to stabilize below the 1.1010 level. The Marlin oscillator is steadily declining. The MACD line is below the 1.0964 level. We will monitor the price behavior at each technical support level.
What about cryptocurrencies? For example, BTCUSD. Dimitrios Tapas explains.
Bitcoin is trading around 58,433, below the 200 EMA and below the 21 SMA and below the symmetrical triangle that was broken on August 14. Since August 8th, BTC has tried several times to break the 200 EMA and also the 4-8 mirror level at about 62,500. As Bitcoin failed to break above 62,000 USD, we have seen that a triple top pattern has formed. Therefore, the Bitcoin price settles below the psychological level of 60,000. The crypto could reach 0.8 mirror level, around the psychological level of 50,000 USD, if it breaks 60,000. Yesterday, at the US inflation data, Bitcoin fell below 61,000 USD. Since then, we have been watching a strong bearish bias in case there is a technical rebound in the next few hours around 56,500 it would be seen as a signal to buy. If BTC consolidates below 59,500, it could be seen as an opportunity to resume selling with targets at 56,250, and finally at 53,125. Yesterday, the EURUSD indicator reached 95 points, thus showing a strong overbought market. Now the indicator is given a negative signal. So we believe that as long as BTC trades below 62,500, any technical rebound will be seen as an opportunity to sell.
What about Nasdaq 100 index? Arif Makmur explains.
Although the Nasdaq 100 index price movement is currently below its 200 EMA, indicating that NDX is under selling pressure with the appearance of the bullish 1, 2, 3 pattern, followed by the bullish Ross hook, and confirmed by the movement of NDX, which has also been above the WMA20 by its high. This indicates that NDX is experiencing a strengthening correction where it is currently trying to test the level of 19,069. If this level is successfully broken upwards, then NDX has the opportunity to continue its strengthening to the level of 19,544 as the main target, and if the momentum and volatility is supported, the next level to be targeted is 20,264. But please be careful also because of the emergence of the rising wedge pattern and the deviation between the NDX price movement, which is making higher high, while the MACD histogram indicator is actually making higher low. So, if on its way to these targets suddenly NDX weakens again to below the level of 18,540, then all the strengthening correction scenarios that have been described previously will be invalid and automatically cancelled by itself.
That's all for today. See you online soon.